going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy J Ray Shoots, the driver of Black Soul 4, and I also work at PLM. If you guys didn't know it, privatelabelmanufacturing.com. And for today's video, it is a pretty exciting day because we will be picking up a new car for our company, and I'm pretty stoked about this, you guys. It's a brand new car, JDM car, obviously, and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. 192 Acura NSX. Yeah, I'd rather get a Porsche. Sorry, Acura. Alright guys, so we are here at Honda San Francisco and we are going to see the new car. My boss is already doing the paperwork right now. Can't wait to show you guys what car we're getting. So please stay tuned. It's a really nice car. It's for the company and it's pretty neat. Can't wait to show you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so nice, bro. Super clean, super nice. Bro, this is literally insane, bro. This is what we got for privatelabelmanufacturing.com's new company car and also build, show car, whatever it is you guys want to call it. Here we go. Let's go and check it out. Guys, this is insane. We got our 2024 Honda Civic Type-R Championship White. We are here in San Francisco. So you guys can see. Shout out to Honda or Acura SF. Make sure to head them up. All right, guys. So Johnson is driving us. If you guys didn't know Johnson is he's our social media manager at PLM. So make sure to give him a follow on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram right here. Yep, there you go. Guys, so we are here at Japantown in San Francisco. I always love going to Japantown here because it just feels, the vibe is just so different. But we're gonna be filming the Type-R here. It's gonna be a lot of cars, but also at the same time, we can make this work. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a tour. This is one of my favorite parts, I'm not gonna lie. The wing on this Type-R is lovely. I love it. You guys see that? Obviously, we got 3 tips right here. I believe the FK8s also have 3 tips. I'm gonna show you guys once again how it looks like in the front end. Woo! Comment down below, what do you guys think about the new Honda Civic Type-R FL5? Alright guys, so we just finished filming our new Honda Civic Type-R 2024 Championship White. Can't wait to see how it's going to be like and all the parts we're going to be putting on. So let's get it. So we're going to end the video here. The FL5 Type-R is going to be at my boss's place for tonight, but my boss will be bringing it tomorrow at work, so I'm pretty excited about this. Everyone's going to be super stoked to see the new Type-R. And it was so nice, man. I can't believe we got a new Type-R and we got so much plans. In fact, before we all went home, our boss and also our videographer Johnson, what you guys saw earlier, we spoke and discussed all of the plans that we have for the new Type-R. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be making some good stuff for the PLM brand, for privatelabelmanufacturing.com, and also at the same time for the track build, for the show build, and everything that we're gonna be doing for the Type-R. Anyways, we're gonna end the video tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the next episodes of Behind the Build. So we got another episode coming up. And also please make sure to stay tuned for the Type-R build videos. All right? Anyways, you guys have a great night. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. God bless.